Welcome back and thanks for staying with us in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, a show of care by the police for an elder. Kian Morgan reports.
It's never too late for dreams to come true. And at 70 years old, Veronica Anderson of New Hope in St. Anne is a living testament of that. Unwrapping her gift, Miss Anderson beams with excitement after being handed the keys to her new home. It's not a mansion, but having a warm bed to sleep in, cold water to drink, or even a stove to cook on is more than enough to bring Miss Anderson solace. That's because where she once lived is a stark contrast to where she lives now.
I was feel like fish out of water. Have a warm time. And when the rain fall, me have to set something.
Before January 30, this is where Miss Anderson lived. Rotten wood for walls. And where there was none, tarpaulins had to suffice. The memory still fresh in Corporal Howard Francis's mind.
The police would have came to the community in 2016 because of our uprise in crime and violence. And from there, would have launched police youth clubs and neighborhood watches. And to build that relationship with the community. Sometime in 2020, we see the need for the assistance of Miss Anderson. Upon coming to her house and speaking to her, would have realized that she's living in a really bad condition.
Corporal Francis and his team partnered with community members, the business community, and the St. Anne Poor Relief to build Miss Anderson a new home.
Our core function as police officers is to serve, protect, and reassure. And here is it that we are here serving our member and our elderly citizen.
Now Miss Anderson doesn't have to worry about the rain or other ills.
Sunday night after when them leave, I couldn't sleep the whole night. I said my prayers. And I thank him. What he have done for me is stand up to me as a uncle. And I don't leave him out in my prayer.
Corporal Francis says he's happy the police were able to bring hope to Miss Anderson.
And I couldn't have passed it for nothing. I continued Sundays after Sundays until we get this project right where we have it now. I enjoy serving my country and more specifically to serve the elderly when they are really in need.
With A Ray of Hope, I am Kian Morgan.